Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you one of the best tools you can ever use to troubleshoot network related issues. So if you are a network engineer or you work anywhere in IT or you are just a hobbyist who's troubleshooting network, for example, you're trying to find out where latency lies and why network connection is slow, I'm going to show you the tool that you can use, which not a lot of people know about. Usually to troubleshoot network related issues, you use Ping. You use Traceroute, for example. These tools are very useful, honestly. However, there is another tool that combines both of them. Not only that, it kind of also shows you everything live. The way the data or the packet is being transferred and exactly what is happening. You can look at it and tell where the latency lies. The tool I'm talking about is MTR. So for instance, let us try and find out to check the packet that is being sent to Google, for example. From there we can try to make sense of what is happening. To use MTR, you can simply type MTR, then google.com. Look at that. So here you can see exactly what is happening under the hood. You can see the loss, you can see the amount of package sent, you can see the average, you can see the best, the worst, and the standard deviation. All these all of these things put into consideration makes it very easy to troubleshoot and know exactly where the latency lies. So, like I said, this tool is actually free. You don't need to install anything. You just use it, and you can use it to easily troubleshoot your network-related issues, right? So usually, like I said earlier, you would normally use use Ping or Traceroute, but and just make it easier for you to see exactly what is happening. In subsequent videos, I'm going to kind of go through this and show you how we can analyze and make sense of the data that we are looking at. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and this introduction to MTR. If you did, can I ask you to subscribe?